Hey there, it is Tomster here on the behalf of Indestructible Productions, and we're continuing onwards with building two guitars at the same time. This time around we're going to be concentrating on routing. First things first, you have to have a center line, which allows you to figure out where everything is going to be placed. Without a center line, you're not going to be able to figure out where your pickups are going to go, where your bridge is going to go, and so on and so forth. Everything might be a little out of whack. Now, to make routing a little easier, you want to remove as much excess as you can. This just makes working so much easier. It doesn't put that much strain on your router bit, and in general just makes the whole process a little bit more efficient. So I'm just using a pillow drill with a Forstner bit, and I have the depth stop set so that I get to the right depth every single time, so I don't need to worry about going too far. And the same process applies to the pickups and the back cavity. Now, for some reason, I lost all the footage of me routing out the pickup cavities and the neck pocket, but it doesn't differ from this part at all. So first things first, using the super glue and masking tape trick to kind of hold down my template. Don't need too much glue, just one little line will do just fine. It is a lot sturdier than it looks. The key thing is to actually have really good templates. Usually you might have to make your own. Just keep on making them until they are perfect. Make a master template and then make one template to use so your master doesn't get destroyed in the worst case scenario. And yeah, then just going ahead and taking a little bit at a time. I'm doing, I think, 3 mil passes and just going at it. The bit that I have is a little bit too short, so I remove the template and just use the bearing cutter on the walls that I have now routed out. Fairly straightforward. Now, because this is the back cavity after all, I do need to have a slight little lip for the back plate to sit on. So I have another template that has the overall shape done. And this I'm only going to take down to about 4 millimeters. Once again, using the depth stop on your router is actually very, very important. Alright, so a little bit shorter of an episode this time. I'm going to try and keep these like these sort of bite-sized videos just because of YouTube's stupid algorithms. I kind of have to, and just to make sure that my videos get seen by other people. The thing is that if you keep on subscribing, liking, commenting, YouTube likes those algorithms and I get to make more videos for you guys. And if you like the longer formats, that allows me to do that if I get enough people to watch them. So thank you very much for watching this episode. I hope you have enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Another video coming up next week. So see you then. Well, I won't see you then, but you'll see the video then. All right, bye-bye.